All right, welcome to the ClearCryptos YouTube channel. If you are new to us, my name is Austin Hilton, and I got my buddy, I always do it the wrong way, Zach here with me. Zach, you're in your car. I guess you're homeless now, right? So you've had an
Done this
attack on your
before.
small town. You got no power. What's going on with that?
Yeah, I've done this before. I've lived out of my car for a few weeks in late 2021, actually. You know that story. I got
Yeah,
kicked out of
I
my
do.
house. I had nowhere to go. Then I got COVID. So, hey, just another day in the life of of me. So, um, yeah.
So,
So yeah, no Wi-Fi, but I found some Wi-Fi at good old Starbucks. So here we go.
no, I kid you. I kid Zach, but he literally is like three towns where he lived. There are like no power. So somebody obviously hit a transformer or something. All right.
Yeah, it's a beautiful day
Hey,
too. I don't know what the heck's going on.
yeah, well, it is what it is. But you're probably really under attack by some unknown force or something as the aliens are coming. Well, so let's do a Cardano video. There we go. All right.
There you go.
So here's what's going on. We have the big breaking news. I'm going to defer to you, Mr. Zach, to break the news. Obviously, go.
Yeah, so Cardano gets listed on Robinhood. So you asked, Cardano's now on Robinhood. This is interesting. We'll bring this back to Cardano, but Robinhood is a fascinating story. I talked about this last year, Austin, and I think we both had conversations offline about this. It almost feels like Robinhood wants to make that shift, and I think it's a smart shift into crypto,
Into
more crypto heavy.
Oh,
And they've
absolutely.
really leaned in this year, right? I mean, I think their focal point last year was, hey, let's get our company public. They
Yep.
did that, right? They're publicly traded now, and they're really leaning in. I mean, they've listed SHIB this year. They've listed Cardano. They've listed Polygon, just a ton of different altcoins. Whereas last year you can only get maybe 4 or 5 different cryptos on there. But yeah, I mean, it's kind of one after the next right now. And I knew Cardano was coming because it's a household name,
Yep.
right? And obviously their community is so strong. So I'm sure they've been very vocal
I
in
wanted
getting
to
this
see
done.
this. So I apologize. I
Yeah.
wanted you to see this. So I was curious because you bring up a very good point. I didn't know that's where you were going to go. And so I literally was like, okay, my immediately went here. So Robinhood has 22.8 million funded accounts and 15.9 million monthly active users. So this kind of goes back to your point is if you look at Robinhood and you look at the end of the day, how do they make money? They make money from people trading on the platform. And obviously they got their start in stocks, done really, really well there. So you factor in basically 16 million active users. Hey, if we can give those guys access to what? Crypto, here you go. It's just a completely new revenue stream. So yeah, but I had forgotten the number. That's why I looked it up. So keep
Yeah,
going.
people can say what they want about Robinhood, right? People say
Yep.
the good and bad, and there's been some ugly moments there last year, especially when they've closed off trading and things like that. But if you're looking at it from, is this good for crypto? Those numbers speak for
Sure.
itself, right? I mean, it
Yeah.
just opens the door to so many more people. And there was another little thing you had on that tab there. They rolled out their crypto wallet this year too. I mean,
Yeah.
another sign that they're really kind of leaning in to cryptocurrency. So I like it.
Well, and I think you bring up a very good point, and kind of to bring this home is that you and I've talked about this in a lot of videos, and whether you view crypto as purely an investment vehicle, or you view crypto or you view it as a currency that I can use to pay for goods and services, you and I both agree on one simple thing: is that there needs to be a way that makes it easy for me to use my crypto in a daily fashion. And again, the Robinhood wallet would seem to be a really a step there, right? And I think I think it's it's to be applauded. And at the end of the day, I think you bring up a good point, and I want your opinion. You said however you feel or don't feel or don't like Robinhood, come back to the number. Basically, 16 million users. In my opinion, it's still a good thing for crypto, especially Cardano and all of it. Yeah.
100%, 100%. Yeah, it's good for crypto and it's good for Cardano. You know, Cardano's got a ton of things going for it right now. Obviously, I'm under the opinion that it's severely undervalued right now. The all-time
Absolutely.
high is close to $3. We're trading under 50 cents. I've been accumulating almost said a shit ton. I think I could say that, right?
You just did.
I'm gonna say crap ton shit. I've been accumulating a shit ton here in 2022. It's been one of my just go back to the wells, because the thing is, Austin, it's not moving. I mean, the yearly low is 39 cents. It's sitting there at 44 cents all the freaking time. And anytime I got some excess cash, I'm loading it up right now. And because I really love where it's heading. I mean, you look at it. I mean, this is the easy math I like to do. Right at 50 cents, in order for it to get back to $3, you're looking at a 6x. You're talking about a top 10 crypto just to get back to all-time highs of 6x. But I think it's going to go above and beyond that, especially with the Vasil Hard Fork coming. So
yeah, and I think, you know, like you and I've talked about this, and I always ask this question in videos, right? So like, I'm going to take your analogy, and I ask people one question in my video. Let's say you were thinking about either A, buying into Cardano, or B, adding to your bag. And by the way, you can pretty much insert any token or coin here, right? Bitcoin, Ethereum, Polkadot, Shiba Inu, whatever you want. Ask yourself the one question, you know, right here, right now, market cap for the entire crypto market is 964 billion and change, whatever it is. It's less than $1 trillion. Yeah. So if you're sitting there and you're like, to Zach's point, you're like, hey, should I buy Cardano or not? Number one, have a plan. We talk about this all the time, which that's one thing Clears can help you with. So that get involved in their links below to their Discord and their socials. But it's this question, Zach, that really hammers it home. Do you believe that the entire crypto market is going to go up in the next year, 2 years, 3 years, 4 years? Do you believe we're going to go to 2 trillion, 3, 4, 5, 6 trillion? If the answer is yes, then why the heck wouldn't you want to buy Cardano in the 40-cent range and, you know, down dramatically from $3 all-time high? I mean, it's a long-term investment, but that's how I look at it. And again, not investing advice, right? So
I hear you talk about
your final thoughts. Go ahead.
Yeah, I hear you talk about that same point all the time, and I couldn't agree more, man. I think it's we have to beat it to death. I think that point, because there's so many new people coming into crypto, and it's real easy to let your emotions get you, right? And sell for loss, to just get out completely and say crypto's not for me. But hey, we're super early, and Cardano I think is going to be a big winner.
With that said, we're going to wrap it up. There are a ton of content creators here on the ClearCryptos channel. Definitely check out the other videos that are here for you. More coming. So hit that subscribe button, hit the like if you got value, and get involved in their socials. The ClearCryptos project is coming soon, and it's going to be amazing. So we're going to go out on that. See you.
See you guys.